Good morning, student. Welcome back to the class 11 biology class. Today's topic virus, viroid, and lichen. Before we go in the today's topic, I remind you to subscribe our channel and push the bell icon for further notification. Now today's topic virus, viroid, and lichen. Why virus, viroid, lichen to be discussed separately? Before discussing, we should mention that virus, viroid, and lichen have no place in five kingdom classification. Whitaker five kingdom classification classify Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia, but there is no place of virus, viroid, and lichen. Why there is no place of virus, viroid, lichen will coming separately. Here only. Viruses. Viruses have no place in five kingdom classification. Why? Because viruses are the non-living outside the host body. Viruses, when enter in the host body, use the machinery of the host cell and replicate and produce the more progeny. In this case, they kill the cell of the host. So, virus do not get any status in five kingdom classification. The name virus means poisonous fluid given by Pasteur. There is a need to take a history of the virus. In 1892, D.J. Ivanovsky found that certain microbes are responsible for mosaic disease in tobacco plant. And he found that microbes are not bacteria because they are passing through bacterial poop filter. In 1898, M.W. Bejernik found that extract of the infected plant can make the infection with the healthy plant. And he said that poisonous living fluid. In 1935, W. Wayne Stanley found that viruses can be crystallized and maximum of the crystal are protein. Protein is not the only component of the virus. There is a nucleic acid too. What nucleic acid? RNA, ribonucleic acid, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. But no virus contains both the nucleic acid together. According to the nucleic acid content, viruses are two types, RNA virus and DNA virus. According to the host, viruses are three types, plant virus, animal virus and bacteriophage. Plant virus always single-stranded RNA. Animal virus either single-stranded or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Bacteriophage, what do you mean by bacteriophage? Bacteriophage are that virus which attack the bacteria. They always double-stranded DNA. Viruses, nucleic acid protected by protein layer known as capsid. Capsids are made of several capsomeres. Capsomeres are arranged helically or geometrically polyhedral form. Viruses create lot of the disease in human like mumps, AIDS, cold flu, common cold, pneumonia, polio. These are caused by virus. In plant, these are causing the disease. Curling of the leaf, rolling of the leaf, stunted growth, mosaic formation, yellowing vein, clearing vein. These are the disease caused by viruses in plant. Now come to the viroid. Viroid, 1971 Theo Diener found that certain microbes are smaller than virus and causing the disease potato spindle tuber disease in potato. That is what? That is free RNA. What is the free RNA? They are free RNA of low molecular weight without any protein coat. All the viroids are pathogenic. Now lichen. Lichen also do not get any place in classification. But why? I am not in the position to answer. Lichen is the symbiotic association of algae and fungi. The algal component of the lichen is known as phycobian and fungal component of the lichen known as mycobian. Algae produce food and provide the food to the fungi. Fungi give the attachment, nutrition to the algae. If you see from outside, you cannot identify lichen as a two organisms together. They feel like a single organism. But why there is no place of the lichen in five kingdom classification? I cannot answer of this. Though one part algae is in the plant kingdom and fungi in the fungi kingdom. So this is the viruses, viroid and lichen. They did not get any place in five kingdom classification. Thanks for watching the video.